Hi, I'm Miyu. Welcome to Fine Dine Academy, where we help you get the most out of your dashboard. Modifiers let your guests customize an item, extra cheese, an add-on, a side. Let's build one. In your dashboard, open AI Menu Manager, go to Modifiers, and click Add Modifier at the top right. First, give the group a name you'll recognize later. We'll call ours Fries Add-on. Now add the choices your guests can pick from. We'll add ground beef, cheese, salt, and parsley. Each one becomes its own add-on. Give each option its own price. Ground beef and cheese are $2 each, salt and parsley $1, then hit Save. A group does nothing until you attach it to an item. Head back to AI Menu Manager, open your menu, find Starters, and click Sea Salt Fries. In the panel that slides out, choose Modifier Options, click Add Modifier Option, and pick the Fries add-on group. Minimum and maximum control how many add-ons a guest may choose here. Setting the minimum to 0 keeps it completely optional, and a maximum of 3 stops them piling on more than you want. Then save. Refresh your menu and the Fries add-on section is live with every price right there. That's Modifiers. That's it for this one. For more quick tips, check out the other videos on our Fine Dine Academy channel. See you there!